This is an introduction video of a supply and demand indicator on Amibroker. So here it is. So all the red zones are supply zones and green zones are demand zones, and you can see today Bank Nifty is very near to the supply zone, demand zone, and in this AFL you can control the time frame of a supply zone because we are standing at 15 minutes. So if I write it 15 minutes here in input section, these are the zones of 15 minutes. But if you have used supply and demand zone, you know कि the same time frame zones doesn't work well because not much data, less number of data is there. So if you switch to higher time frame, then you can see much what is happening on higher time frame, and accordingly you can trade on lower time frame. So you can switch to 75 minutes, which I recommend for intraday basis, because in 75 minutes we have equal number of candles. Every candles have equal time interval, so that's why I recommend 75. Else you can take any time frame. So in 75 minutes you can see good zones we get, and you can change this time frame to any time frame till 1 day. This last is 374, which is 1 day time frame. You can go to 1 minute also, so make it 75. And this supply and demand AFL is based on a rally based rally and drop based drop concept. So if you know about it, then it's good. If you don't know, you can Google it, and these all parameters are that only. So if you can, these are default one which I have kept, and these are the best one. And if you don't want, you can touch around with this input parameters. You can do it, but I won't recommend, because these are the best parameters which I think they are the best. And you can switch on and off. There are 4 kind of supply and demand thing: rally based rally based drop. You can switch on and off anyone. And another good thing about this indicator, that you can scan the whole bunch of stock. Which stock you can see here, near resistance is 1554 points away and near support is 24 points away. We are very near to the support. So you can scan a bunch of stock and see which stock is near to the resistance or near to the support. So you have to open 2 analysis table. One will be scanning nearest the resistance and other will be nearest support. So you can see nearest support. Just sort it out, and these all red ones are trading inside a supply zone. So you have a very good opportunity to sell it. And for the demand zone, these 4 stocks are at a very good demand zone, so it's a very good opportunity to buy. So if you can see any stocks like Bajaj Finance, you can see it's inside a zone, and it has respected already that zone previously, and it is at a very good level. So if the price moves up above this zone, this zone will be vanished, and that will be a stop loss also. But if it falls from here, you will get a very good trade from here. So currently we are scanning more than 500 stocks here, and you know which so this can give you a very good watch list, which stocks to trade or which stocks to not to. And the scanning, in the scanning process also, you can select the time frame, on what time frame you want to scan. I am scanning at 25 minutes. If you want to scan on some other time frame, you can scan that also. You can do multi-time-frame scanning. So many things you can do it. It's a whole bunch of multiple supply and demand ideas I have coupled and put it in it. So you should use it. So if you want to get the access, you can DM me or contact me. I will provide the AFL. Thanks.